How to get a blank name on TikTok. So first things first is open up your TikTok application and ensure that you're currently running the latest version. Make sure that you're fully logged into your account. In here, just head out straight to your profile at the lower right portion of your screen. Now, right side of your current username or your TikTok name, just simply tap on edit. Now go directly into name, and this is where you can change or customize your name. So if you would like to have a blank name, unfortunately, you won't be able to save it with empty name. So instead of empty name, you can just go ahead and simply add this dot sign and then hit on save. So take note that your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. And that's pretty much it. That's the only way for you to be able to get a blank name on TikTok.